Your question is, the report of Mandal Commission was submitted in, your options are A 1990, B 1983, C 1980 or D 1977. Right answer is C 1980. Your question is, the causes of atrocity on scheduled castes and scheduled tribes according to the report of National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe in the year 1990 do not include. Your options are A land alienation, B bonded labor, C indebtedness or D religious causes. Right answer is D religious causes. Your question is, who appoints the members of the State Public Service Commission? Your options are A President, B Governor, C Chairman Union Public Service Commission or D Chairman State Public Service Commission. Right answer is B Governor. Your question is, choose the correct alternative. The chairman of a joint public service commission for two or more states is appointed by. Your options are A the President of India, B the President of India on the recommendation of the governors concerned, C the governor of the largest state or D a committee of governors of all the states concerned. Right answer is A the President of India. Your question is, the chairman of the State Public Service Commission is appointed by. Your options are A the chairman of the Union Public Service Commission, B the President of India, C the governor of the state, D the chief minister or E none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C the governor of the state. Your question is, the functions of the State Public Service Commission of Uttar Pradesh can be extended by. Your options are A Prime Minister, B Union Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, C the President or D Uttar Pradesh State Legislature. Right answer is D Uttar Pradesh State Legislature. Your question is, in which of the following matters the State Public Service Commission is not consulted? Your options are A on the method of recruitment of civil services, B on the principles to be followed in making appointments to civil services, C on the principles to be followed in making promotions in civil services and transfers from one service to another, or D on making transfers of civil servants. Right answer is D on making transfers of civil servants. Your question is, Union Public Service Commission may agree to serve the needs of the state. Your options are A on request of the Chief Minister with approval of the Prime Minister, B on request of the Election Commission with approval of the President, C on request of the Governor with approval of the Prime Minister or D on request of the Governor with approval of the President. Right answer is D on request of the Governor with approval of the President. Your question is, the Union Public Service Commission can be entrusted by the functions of a State Public Service Commission with the approval of. Your options are A Chief Justice of India, B Prime Minister, C Speaker of the Lok Sabha or D President of India. Right answer is D President of India. Your question is, which article of the Constitution has provision for removal of a member of Public Service Commission? Your options are A 315, B 316, C 317 or D 318. Right answer is C 317.